Linking a binder asset in Akeneo PIM. With Induxx's binder connector for Akeneo PIM, you can link an asset using Binder's compact view. Once you select the asset, the thumbnail is visualized on the product page. When consulting the asset in Bynder DAM, you'll notice the SKU and asset type provide the link with the Akeneo product, which also enables asset meta properties to be enriched with product data. In this demo, we linked the SEO keywords and name to be automatically synced. Uploading an asset in Akeneo PIM. Let's upload an asset from a local drive. Once the upload to Bynder is complete, a thumbnail is generated on the product page. We confirm the asset to be linked by saving the product. The asset is enriched according to your preferred configuration. Linking associated products in Bynder. Modify the asset's meta properties to supply the SKU and asset type. As a result, the asset is linked to the product. And in return, the asset gets enriched with product data. Specifying a certain order. In this specific case, we supply an order to the asset. As specified, the asset is linked to the 5th position. Unlinking the product in Bynder. Removing the SKU suffices to unlink the product. Asset summary based on SKU. You can either enter the product identifier in the search bar, or navigate to an asset to click on the SKU. Unlinking an asset in Akeneo PIM. When the asset is removed from the product in Akeneo, the SKU is automatically cleaned from the Bynder meta properties.